Okay, today is April 3rd of 2017, and we're going through a couple of the homework problems that we're going to be doing tonight. I've done the first two problems. I did 3A and B, and we also have 3C, which I did not do in class. In problem 4, all of problem 4, they changed what they're giving you. In all these prior problems, we had given moles. Now, the given is atoms or some other representative particle like a molecule, okay? And then we're supposed to find moles. Now, watch what happens in these situations. We do the given over 1. Okay? I think you're all doing fine with that part. But now this part is going to be different than what we did before. Before, we had our big number is on the top. Now the big number is going to be on the bottom. Oh, I went the wrong way. Oops. Thank you for catching that for me. And here we go. Okay, so now watch. We've got the big number on the bottom. That's different. Why is it on the bottom? Anybody know? It's an equality. We can flip the fraction. It's still 1. Oh, very good. Okay, Mina got it. Atoms are on the bottom here because atoms are on the top in our given. Okay? But you notice it's the same number. 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd is 1 mole of anything, in this case, aluminum atoms. Okay? So now we go through the two parts. We're going to multiply, first of all, or we're going to be dividing the 6.02 into the 5.75. That gives us a number that's less than 1, which is fine. What's the other bit of math that we're going to have to do? Now this guy is just 10 to the 23rd on the bottom means that we're going to subtract exponents. Okay? We didn't have to do that with the last problems because there was no second 10 to the 23rd number. Yes?
The number that's on this side.
Which side is this side? The left.
The exponent is less than negative.
Absolutely. You bet. Because the bottom number is always subtracted from the top number when we're talking about exponents and division. So whatever that bottom number is, it turns to negative. So we're subtracting instead of adding. Okay? If we were multiplying these two, it would turn out to a power of 47 because 23 times 47 as exponents are actually being added instead of subtracted when we multiply. Subtracted when we divide, added when we multiply. That's probably a better way to say it. I think that came out backwards. So I just wanted to correct that, especially for our video. Now we go down here and we see what this actually works out to. I had to move the decimal to the right to get it to scientific notation. And when I did that, what does Tyler DeWitt say we do when we move to the right? Decimal moves to the right. Exponent goes down. Okay? So the exponent was 1, and I moved it to 0. And when I did that, we wound up with 10 to the 0, and that's the way you write this because it's in scientific notation. What's the value of 10 to the 0? 1. Right. But still, to keep it in scientific notation, we have 9.55 times essentially 1. But if we write it as 10 to the 0. And that's how you do the other kind. I hope you find this helpful.